Hey guys, it's Angie. This is take 2 on this painting, and the reason for it, where'd you go, is because of this right here. Always, always, always check to make sure your canvas is level. I got in a big hurry and I didn't, and just ruin it. So, especially with these pearls, we're looking for pearls today. I went back to the store looking for the Extreme Sheen, and I found this color. It's a garnet. It's beautiful. And that's what we want our sails with today. So I'm going to pour this right in the center. I should have known it wasn't level because it was moving. Sure screwed it up. Probably won't be the last time. Get your air bubbles out. Okay. And we're going to layer up some colors. I've got some Prussian Blue. Some bright purple. Light aqua green, turquoise blue, and a green yellow. I'm going to do a couple layers. Okay, I'm going to do a straight pour. You know, I like the ring pours. I'm just looking for something different. I'll put a little ring here at the end. Okay. I'm not going to torch it yet because I want a little bit of air in it to bring those pearls up. So I'm just going to kind of go around in a circle. Try to cover as much of the canvas as I can. Love those colors together. Teal and purple is my two favorites. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let it run off right there. And I'm going to bring my paint back. And we're going to go over here. Bring your paint back. And I'm going to come down here. And back. And then the lower corner. So much for my ring. That's okay. Let's see a little glop of paint or Floetrol. Oh, shoot, far. That was my bad. Jeez Louise. Pretty. See, they're already starting to pop up. Now we get our bubbles out. This will help bring out our little pearls. Beautiful. I like this better than the first one. I don't like that blob right there. That's sure different. Still not crazy about that little spot. You see our pearls popping up everywhere? That's so cool. I'm going to bring you down and let you check it out. I'm going to cut that middle line out first. Yeah, I'll bring you back in about 15, 20 minutes. We'll see how many pearls we get. Sorry, get my camera off of here. Okay. See all our pearls? These are actually round. I must have it level. If you don't have it level, they're going to be whoppy jaw. Check this part out. Isn't that beautiful? These colors just go together really well. Focus camera. That's my bad right there. But anyway. I'm not getting the pearls on this side yet. I got some down here in this corner. So I'm hoping I get some on this edge. That pink and the blue. Focus camera. Getting some there. A little path of them there. But I'll bring you back in a little bit, okay? Later. Hey again. It's been about 30 minutes. And I got some on this other side, a little bit. I don't like that big blob in the middle. Just a few around the edges over here. Most of them's on the other side. But check out this turquoise. How cool is that? These colors are so pretty together. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Nothing I can do about it. I put some little curly cues on them. But all in all, he didn't turn out too bad. It'll look better after it's resined. The pearls did pretty good this time. They actually stayed round. They just didn't go all the way around it. Like, I'm just going to have to keep practicing. Alright, there you have it. Y'all have a great day. Later. Subscribe.